Hey Professor, today I'm doing a focus code review of my app, gym app. It's called 225. It's a social fitness app that kind of lost strength, cardio workouts, make some estimations on one rep maxes, rank lifters, and then also recommend exercises using matrix factorizations, and also kind of match people with suitable training partners, and people can also discover the training archetypes via clustering, and basically everything runs client side in pure JavaScript on Firebase. I obviously won't go through every single line of code, but I'll walk through four high leverage pieces of the code base. Um, Basically, the security rules, the one rep max engine, the multi partner matching system, and also the collaborative filtering recommender. So yeah, let's um, yeah.